12 years ago, the State Fair started building their new buildings out at Fauner Park. When these new buildings were put in, that gave us an opportunity to put in several different new landscapes. Here at the outdoor learning area, this landscape was installed about 10 years ago. We have a lot of different plants that have done extremely well out here given the tough growing situations. Behind me, we have the buttonbush and we have the straight species, which is a native plant to Nebraska. As you can tell, it's thriving and it's doing really well. If you want this plant for your home landscape, you might consider the cultivar called Sugar Shack, which is a much smaller shrub and will do better in a home landscape. One of the other landscapes that's doing really well at the outdoor learning area is the Bioswale and the rain garden. This area has lots of different plant material that provides a lot of different diversity. Inside this landscape, we have our water-loving plants like our carex or our sedges. We have our Joe Pye weed, and then we also have a wide variety of plants that will attract different pollinators. Whether it's our butterfly bush or other milkweeds within the landscape, we're going to attract all those pollinators to come to this site. And then also we have some different native grasses and other adaptive plant materials that are doing extremely well in this location. Some of the other plant material that's doing really well out here at the outdoor learning area is the different types of grasses that we have out here. We have different native and adapted species that are doing extremely well. We have our switchgrass and we have a cultivar called Shenandoah that turns really red in the fall. We have little blue stem, which is our state grass, and we also have our Indian grass, which provides these beautiful seed heads later on in the fall. All of these grasses can do well in the home landscape and they provide a lot of winter interest if you let them stand during that time of the year. You want to cut back those grasses early in the spring before they start to show signs of new growth. 10 years ago, this landscape was installed. Some plants are thriving, some plants weren't so successful. So when you're out here for the State Fair, be sure to check out this landscape and see what plant material you would like for your home garden.